First, let's reset your mind. We've got to change how you think about budgeting. You probably hear the word budget and think, ugh, no eating out, no fun, no freedom, right? But budgeting isn't punishment. It's permission. It's you telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. The best part, even if you're broke right now, a budget is what gets you unbroke. One decision at a time. Step 1, know your numbers. Your doctor won't treat you effectively if they don't know what's ailing you. Likewise, to budget effectively, you need to know exactly what you're budgeting in the first place. This means knowing your income and expenses like the back of your hand. List all income sources, starting with your salary after taxes, side hustles, freelance work, investment dividends, or even alimony. For example, if you earn $3,500 per month from your 9-to-5, $300 from a weekend gig, and $100 in monthly dividend income, your total net income would be $3,900. When it comes to expenses, note the two important categories, fixed and variable. Fixed expenses are costs that stay the same each month, such as rent or mortgage payments, insurance premiums, car payments, and loan minimums. As for variable expenses, they fluctuate from month to month. Did you get fewer onions for the same price this time? Yeah? Groceries are the perfect example of these variable expenses. Others are utilities, gas, entertainment, dining out, and shopping. But while these expenses are, well, variable, they can be more easily adjusted. Step 2. Use the 50-30-20 rule. This budgeting rule is about dividing your after-tax income and any other into 3 buckets. The 50% entails your needs or fixed expenses, for example, rent, mortgage, utilities, groceries, insurance, minimum debt payments. The 30% bucket is for your wants, for example, dining out, streaming services, hobbies, and vacations. Finally, the 20% bucket is for savings and debt repayment. This means emergency fund contributions, extra debt paydowns, and retirement contributions. The beauty of 50-30-20 is its simplicity. You cover essentials first, allow yourself room for enjoyment, and still prioritize saving or chipping away at debt. Of course, you may need to tweak the ratios. If rent accounts for 55% of your income, you might temporarily reduce wants to 25% or savings to 15%. Step 3. Track every dollar for 30 days. Now that you know your numbers and have set your percentages, what's next? It's time to track every penny for at least 30 days. And no, don't worry, there are tons of tools to make it even easier. Let's talk about some that are available in India. Mint. This is a free app that automatically links to your bank credit accounts and categorizes transactions. You need a budget. YNAB. While this is a paid app, it's known for its give every dollar a job philosophy and real-time updates. Goodbudget. This tool brings the envelope system of budgeting to people who like digital analogies to cash envelopes. Every dollar. If you are looking for an app with drag-and-drop simplicity and ideal for beginners, this one is for you. Google Sheets. Use a free budgeting template if you prefer manual, customized tracking. But remember, the goal isn't to track with 100% accuracy forever. Did you spend $120 on a family getaway over the weekend? You definitely can't unspend it, but you can shift that money next month. Step 4. Cut the silent money leaks. After tracking for a month, review your spending. Look for those sneaky silent leaks, the small expenses that add up. These include forgotten subscriptions like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Gumroad, or meditation apps. You could also be bleeding money with your daily coffee runs. Remember, even $4 a day becomes $120 a month. Or are you one to make impulse buys? Review everything. Even a few cutbacks would go a long way. Step 5. Create a bare-bones emergency budget. Have you ever asked yourself, if I lost all my income tomorrow, what's the bare minimum I need to survive for 30 days? That's your bare-bones budget. Understanding it gives you peace of mind and a real plan if disaster strikes, such as job loss, medical emergency, or a natural disaster. So, how do you figure yours out? Identify only essentials, like rent or mortgage, groceries, utilities, and transportation. Minimum debt payments. Calculate the total, for example, if rent is $1,000, groceries $200, utilities $150, transport $100, and debt minimums $150. Your bare-bones budget is $1,600 a month. Compare to emergency fund. An emergency fund should cover 3 months of expenses. So if you need $1,600 per month, you'd need $4,800 in an emergency fund. Now that you know how to get started, here is a real-life budget example. We'll assume we have a monthly net income of $3,900. Needs: fixed expenses. 50% equals $1,950. Rent, $1,000. Utilities, electric, water, internet, $200. Groceries, $300. Insurance, health plus auto, $200. Minimum debt payments, $150. Transportation, public transit, essential gas, $50. Phone bill, $50. Total needs, $1,950. Wants, variable expenses, 30% equals $1,170. Dining out, $200. Entertainment, streaming, events, $150. Gym, hobby classes, $150. Clothing and household fun. Purchases, $100. Subscriptions, movies, apps, $70. Coffee out, treats, $100. Travel and activities fund, $200. Miscellaneous fund. Buffer, $200. Total wants, $1,170. Savings and debt repayment, 20% equals $780. Emergency fund contribution, $400. Retirement, 401k or IRA, $380. Total savings and debt, $780. This budget follows the 50-30-20 rule. Half of the $3,900, $1,950, goes to essential monthly needs such as rent, utilities, groceries, insurance, minimum debt, basic transportation, and phone. Next, 30% of income, $1,170, is earmarked for wants, dining out, streaming, gym classes, and even a small travel fund. Because wants can balloon out of control, it's important to budget specific dollar limits for each category. Example, $200 for dining out, $150 for entertainment, and so on. That way, you allow yourself lifestyle enjoyment without jeopardizing essentials or savings. Finally, 20%, $780, goes directly toward future goals. $400 goes into an emergency fund, and $380 to retirement. Automating these transfers, for instance, scheduling $380 a month to your IRA on payday, ensures you never skip this step. Time to walk the talk with a 30-day budgeting challenge. I challenge you to a 30-day budgeting challenge right here, right now. Here's how it works. Commit to tracking. For the next 30 days, track every dollar you spend. Yes, even that $1 gum pack and that $3 soda. Use a tool, pick one, Mint, YNAB, Every Dollar, Goodbudget, or a Google Sheets template, whatever speaks to you. Cut one leak. Each week, week 1, cancel or pause one unused subscription, save at least $5 to $20. Week 2, bring coffee from home 2 days a week, save $20 to $30. Week 3, cook at home one more night than usual, save $30 to $50. Week 4, bag one impulse buy, save $10 to $50. Set a micro savings goal. Even $1 to $5 a week matters. For example, if you save $5 a week, that's $20 this month, enough to cover a prepaid public transit card if you need it. Share your progress. Post updates in the comments. Accountability skyrockets your success rate. Reflect on day 31. Add up your savings from cuts, judge leaks, and compare your tracked spending to your planned budget. Did you come in under 50% for essentials? Did you contribute to your emergency fund, celebrate, or reset as needed? Are you ready to take control of your money this month? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoy personal finance videos like this, like and subscribe to Global Money Mindset.